Hello. Welcome to another YouTube video. Tips to rank your YouTube video higher in YouTube search results, so as to get more views for your video. Step 1 in the process is research. Before making any video, it is very important to do research, specifically keyword research. Why? Because keywords are very important and it helps you understand what people are searching for on the internet, and this can provide you with some really good ideas for your YouTube video. Always do a keyword research, using any keyword tool available online, and note down the most relevant and important keywords for your video. Step 2 creating the video. Create an ideal good quality video of 8 minutes or more. Why more than 8 minutes? Because YouTube loves to run ads on all video, and any video that is 8 minutes or more is ideal for running ads. Step 3 optimizing. This step consists of adding titles, description, tags and a catchy thumbnail to your video. A title should contain one or more suitable keywords and contain up to 100 characters. Description. It is ideal to add a short description to your video with 100 plus words containing some keywords along with any links etc. for references. Make sure to add keywords in the tags space along with your channel name so that the videos will show up in search results for these keywords. Last but not the least, add a really catchy thumbnail to the video, so that users will be attracted to watch the video. Step 4 finalizing and distributing the video. Finalize your video and share it with your friends, family and well-wishers to get maximum likes, comments and shares during the initial few hours. This process is really important as the amount of interaction will help the video get noticed by YouTube's algorithm, and thus the video will start ranking higher in YouTube search results. So to sum up the 4 simple steps to rank your video higher in search results. Step 1 research. Step 2 creating the video. Step 3 optimizing. Step 4 finalizing and distribution. Subscribe, like and comment for more useful